day 2. We just woke up, got out of the apartment. We're walking to find some breakfast this morning. We made a new acquaintance. Say hi, Elvis. Hi. This is Elvis. He's awesome.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to put me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacy family, playing city like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacy family, playing city pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Ain't on the matching like Randy, the chopper go out to the granny. Nigga, pull your plan. Open killers understand. In Atlanta, twisted the thing in the plan. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the list in the van. Legacy, family, playing city like a plan. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacy, family, playing city, legacy, selling ball, candy. Ain't at the punching like Randy. The chopper go out to the ground. Your nigga pull on your planet. Movie killers understand.
Shohei! Shohei, my friend.
How you doing, man?
How are you?
Hey.
Good to meet you.
Welcome to Japan. It's fun.
Thank you. Yeah, it's really hot. Just met up with my friend Shohei and some of his friends, and I did a little photo shoot for some new clothes at his store, Nubian Stocks. We did like a quick little shoot. I got naked in public. It was fun. Elvis is taking us to his friend's cafe so we can go grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna figure the rest of the night out.
Walking around in Tokyo with my girlfriend Maisie.
Tomorrow.
It's 7 a.m. and Maisie and I are heading to the Gyoen National Garden in Shinjuku. That is where we're heading. This place is huge. It's breathtaking and beautiful, and we're barely here, but just take a look around at what's like right at the entrance. It looks like we barely just beat this ginormous crowd of awesomely energetic little people. Glad we beat that because it was a relaxing and tranquil experience. What did you think?
It was really nice.
10 out of 10. Nice.